Welcome back to the channel. Let's take a deep breath, slow down, and start a new stitching project together. To begin, I've gathered a few different fabric options: a subtle khaki green, a neutral grey, and a deep forest green. Choosing the right palette is always one of the most therapeutic parts of any handiwork project. I brought out a few matching flosses: soft off-white and grey for the slate tones, bright yellows for the dark green, and warm golden oranges for this beige khaki green. I've decided to go with this lovely khaki green fabric today. The warm, earthy tone feels so grounding. Now let's prepare our fabric, gently stretching it over the wooden hoop and pulling it taut. You want that crisp, drum-like sound when you tap it. Perfect. Next, let's mark our grid. Using a heat erasable pen, I'm making tiny guide dots with a 1 centimeter gap. I'll draw 2 parallel lines right down the center with that 1 centimeter spacing, followed by 2 outer border lines spaced 6 millimeters apart on each side. For our base layer, I'm threading the needle with this rich dark golden orange floss. Pull your strands out one by one. I'm pulling 2 individual strands first, then taking the remaining 4-strand bundle to stitch with. Tie a neat knot at the end and we're ready. We're starting between our center lines with a classic knotted diamond stitch. Watch how each loop anchors down to form a clean geometric diamond shape. Keeping a consistent tension and spacing here is key. Let the rhythm of the needle going up and down guide your hands. Border stitches like this are absolute magic. They hold so much tactile warmth compared to machine stitching. Each tiny variation tells a story, making your garments completely one of a kind. It's also such a wonderfully meditative hobby, just the crunch of the fabric and the soft whisper of thread passing through. Now that our central row is complete, we'll flip the hoop over and secure the back with a tiny hidden knot. For the second phase, I'm switching to a lighter orange floss. Creating a subtle gradient gives flat embroidery an instant 3D look. We're starting from the bottom of our outer line and working a Mountmellick stitch, stepping inward to interlock with our initial diamond row. When working Mountmellick stitches, keep your thread angle consistent. As these stitches anchor into the center line, you'll see a beautiful braided vine pattern start to blossom right before your eyes. As we move along the pattern, try to find a comfortable rhythm. There's something so peaceful about the repetition of hand stitching, bringing the needle up, guiding the thread, and watching the design slowly come alive. Don't worry about absolute perfection. The tiny natural variations in your tension are what give handmade pieces their soul and character. Once the left side is fully connected, we'll repeat the exact same process on the right side. Watch how symmetrical and rich the motif becomes as both sides lock together. To finish off, simply pass a warm iron over your fabric. The heat-erasable ink disappears instantly, leaving behind nothing but crisp, flawless embroidery. Look at that beautiful texture. This design makes a gorgeous decorative border. Imagine this accenting the cuff of a linen sleeve, running down the hem of a wrap skirt, or even bordering a cozy throw pillow.